So if you have a G Suite account, then this is what you'll see in your Google Meet homepage, unlike the regular account. So all of the function over here are on the right side. So you can go on to the settings and set up your microphone and your video. So everything is located right here. And then what you can do is you can join a start meeting right here. And then if your organization has scheduled some meeting, you have been invited to some meeting, or if you have scheduled the meeting, then you'll see all of the meetings for that particular day over here, just like this. So it'll be listed right here. So if you want to join or start a meeting through meeting codes, then you can just click on join. And what you'll see here is that you have an option to join or start a meeting. So you can enter the meeting code or a nickname. So you can start your own meeting right here, or you can leave it blank and start your new meeting as well. So if there's a meeting code that has been provided to you, you simply enter it here and press continue. Or if you want to access your own meeting, and that is you want to create your own meeting, then you can simply give it a nickname. For example, I'm going to say test meeting 101. So let's say this is the meeting right here, and this will be unique for the organization, so they can simply enter. The other members of your organization can simply use this meeting code to join in. So there is no direct way to go on to the Google Calendar from this particular home page. So you simply have to go to Google Calendar, that is calendar.google.com, to schedule any meeting. So now I want to start a meeting. So this is a unique code. So I'm just going to hit on continue, and it says joining. And from here on, you got the same settings as with any other Google Meet. So you'll be able to just hit join now, and you'll be joined onto the meeting. So that is how G Suite homepage is different from regular Google Meet, that is regular Google account while using Google Meet.